From this lesson, you can learn how to add transitions in your animation using Photoshop software. A frame animation is created by moving an object little by little over several consecutive frames. In Photoshop, you can use the timeline panel to create animation frames. I am going to create a new video as a film and video file. In Windows menu, enable Timeline if your timeline panel is not visible in the workspace. I will now open a photo and drag and place it on top of the new film and video file. I will open two more photos and place these photos in the new video file in different positions. I will remove any unwanted portions in the photos. In the center of the timeline, choose the option Video Timeline. I will click on Layer 1 in the timeline panel and select Position. I will move the slider until the end of the clip in Layer 1. I will move the photo in Layer 1 to a new position. Now I will move back the slider to its original position. I will follow this process with the remaining two photos in the timeline panel.